So for this one, we're trying to find the derivative of y, which is y prime. Now, when we're talking about the chain rule, what we want to do is we want to think about this as functions inside of functions. And that's kind of what's happening, right? We have this inside portion, that's the innermost function. And then we have this outer function, which is something to the third power. And we want to work at taking the derivative of the outside in. We want to go in that order. So if you think about it, for the outside part, it's something to the third power. So we're talking about an exponent. That means we're going to have to use the power rule, which means we'll have to bring the 3 down to the front and drop this by 1. So we're going to carry this out right now. So we're going to say 3 times whatever that thing is. It happens to be 3x squared plus 1. But that's okay. We're not going to concern ourselves with the inside yet, just the outside. So the 3 comes down, then we do 3 minus 1, which is 2 up top. Okay, so that's the first part of the chain rule. We applied it to the outside function. Now let's look at the inside function, right? So the inside function is this portion that I highlighted in red, and we're just going to take the derivative of that next, and then whatever the derivative of that is we're going to multiply it against this. But by the way, what goes in here? The same thing. 3x squared plus 1. So for the first derivation, we leave this alone. We don't change anything. Now we multiply it times the derivative of 3x squared plus 1. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of 3x squared, use the power rule. Multiply that front by 2, which is 6, and then we subtract that exponent by 1, so we get 6x. Now, if we want to write a final simplified version, you can multiply these guys, and we've got 18x times 3x squared plus 1 to the second power. And that's how you do it. Done.